Video, I would like to go over how to submit and test your assignment onto WebCAT. So first thing we want to do is actually have our assignment up and running. So this is the change example that we have on D2L. What I want to do is actually test running. So first you do is compile. Compiles properly. We try to run it and try to get change for, let's say, $2.05, which gives me a 20 and a nickel. I'm happy with that. Great. Now I can go on to WebCAT. So open up a web browser. This is webcat.cpsc233.calgary.ca. It redirects me to this page. I log in using my Linux terminal credentials. Log in. Now, your interface here might look a bit different since I'm one of the TAs for that course. I get to see everything, but pretending to be a student here, we want to go into submitting the assignment, and up here we want to make sure, well, for me it's showing I'm enrolled in everything, but it should show your tutorial section here. I want to pick the correct assignment, so this is the making change assignment that I wanted to work with, and browse and go down to the file that I want to submit. So that's change.java. Upload the submission. Yep, that's the right file. Confirm it. And now it's going to run the JUnit testing. It'll tell me if there's something wrong with the assignment or if it passes all tests. Usually takes a few seconds. Okay. So here's telling me that I passed 2 out of the 4 tests, or I'm getting 2 out of 4. These are the files involved. So this is the change file that I submitted, and these are the output files for the system, for the program. And just going through these error messages. So down here it says the following hints may help you locate some ways in which your solution may be improved. And when the system tries 341, it expects 1 loonie, but it's getting 14. And when it tries 591, it expects 1 loonie and it gets 19. So something definitely seems to be off here. So let's go back to our assignment, or rather the source code. It's telling us there's something wrong with the loonies. And here is the error. I forgot to put in an extra 0 there. Save that. Test it again, so let's recompile it and run it. So let's try again 205 again, but that's not really related to our error, so let's run it again and see which was one of the inputs that it expected. Going back, 341. It expected 1 loonie, now it's getting 1. Try it again with 591. It's expecting 1 and it got 1. Perfect. So now I should be able to submit again because I made my changes. To browse, submit the Java file, same process again, confirm it, and it's going to do the tests again. And there we have it. All tests have passed. We get 4 out of 4. And everything looks good. Now keep in mind that we are submitting the Java file, not the .class file. And your most latest file is the one that gets evaluated. So if earlier you do a test and you get 3 out of 4, and then you try to change something, submit it again, and then you get 2 out of 4, the 2 out of 4 is the file that's going to be checked if that's the last one that you submit. You can submit as many files as you want, as long as the Dropbox is open. So make sure that the last file that you submit is giving you the best results. Thank you.